Hi guys, this is the fourth time I get this brand of window privacy and it's very convenient, and I'm going to install it here on my studio so I can get more privacy like I did upstairs. So this is what I get, and here it is. Let me show it to you. And you can have it in so many patterns and sizes, and it's super easy to install. I didn't have, so there is actually like a installation guide inside here, okay, but I don't need it anymore. But I'll show you how to install it very easy, and I will start doing it right now. So this is the installation guide that it comes with, and it comes in so many languages and it's very convenient. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean the window. Next, I will cut the window film. After cutting it, I will spray some water on the glass itself and then apply the film. Like that. And then grab any card, gift card or anything like that, and then do it this way. And then I will need the cutter to cut the X's here. Okay guys, this is after cutting it, so I'm gonna apply the next one. So this is after everything is done, and look how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful, and the reflection is so good. I'll show it to you from the outside. And this is how it looks from the outside. Like inside, you can't see anything. And it looks really good. It looks really beautiful. Like even if I open this one like that, I can't see anything. Yeah, it's so good.